guys, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today I'm going to show you how to create a totally edible container that has flowers and vines and everything else. And what's great about these, they could be perennials if you want to. So let's talk about what's going in here. The dahlia, isn't it beautiful? A lot of people don't realize the dahlia, the tubers and the flowers are totally edible. Actually, in many countries, the tubers are a main staple. The other thing is that we're going to use as a hanger is the cherry tomato. This will be great as it cascades over. Another flower is going to be the petunia. That's right. Petunia flowers are edible. And then one of my favorites is the sweet potato. Now, this is called the ornamental sweet potato, but the ornamental sweet potato, the leaves are amazing. A lot of Asian cultures use them in all their dishes, and obviously the tubers. So as these grow, you could come and pick it just like you would a salad, but it could handle the heat. And all of these could be perennials in this container if you brought it in for the thing. So let's start planting. This already looks stunning, and imagine as it just cascades over and really fills. Your only two jobs are, one, to pick the stuff and use it. Don't be scared to try some of these flowers. The second one is, these are all heavy feeders and they're all in one container. So I would do an organic because it's an edible. Slow release, and keep up on that. You'll notice if it needs more later on. But this Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, try your edible container. And remember, this could come into the house and store later on. Have a great day and thumbs up.